How do we stay healthy as we age? Okay, whether you're 50, 60, 70, or beyond, I want to give you some tips that I use as a 71-year-old to live the most vital lifestyle I can possibly live. But first, let me put out a disclaimer. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a health expert of any kind, though I've done my research. And two things that I know for sure: you have to be active and you have to be proactive. What do I mean by active? You have to be physical. You have to get your body moving every day. Go for your walks. If you love golf, play golf. You have to do strength training. You have to do strength training because as we age, our muscles decline. It's called sarcopenia. So we have to keep those muscles engaged. I did a couple of videos, and you could check it out on my channel, that are that way. Whether you have gym equipment, belong to a gym, or you have no equipment at all, and you want to stay fit just using your own body, I have you covered. So check that out. But you have to be physically active. You have to be mentally active. You have to keep your mind engaged. You have to do crossword puzzles. You have to read. You have to play trivia games, play any type of game where you're thinking. You have to be social. Social engagement is so important. As we aged, like I said, I'm 71. My wife and I live in a golf community. And we're just here a year, and I got to tell you, it was the best move we made because we have a clubhouse, a bar and grill, golf course, the pickleball, all those things that I never thought I would ever do. Frankly, so you told me I'd be playing pickleball, I'd look at you like, I don't think so, or even golf. But I started to do both things as well as I could, given my physical limitations and my age. But here's the thing: the meeting with people and getting together at the bar and grill and socializing. They have trivia nights. They have different clubs you can get involved with. Again, I never thought I would do that, but I've really embraced it. And it's made such an impact on my life and my outlook and how I feel about waking up every day. So social engagement, keeping your mind active, keeping your body physical, those are the three primary things we could do for the active part. Now, the other part is being proactive. What do I mean by that? Get your checkups. Go to your doctor. Be involved in your health care. If you sense you're not feeling well, you seek out the proper medical attention and get that taken care of. You get your PSA checked. You get your colonoscopies. Women too, of course, the colonoscopies. You get your mammograms, women. And you do all the things necessary to keep yourself active that you can. Prevention. It goes a long way. So be proactive in your health care. Be proactive in your financial life too. If you're retired, you're collecting Social Security, you may be taking from your IRA or 401k. If you have a pension, if you're lucky enough to have a pension, be up on where your money is at. Be conscious of that. And keep with the budget too. Don't overspend. So those things are important. Assume you're going to live until you're 100. God willing, we can live as long as we can. Let's say 100. We want to make sure that we have the resources to take us through that with a comfortable lifestyle. We don't want to depend on children or grandchildren even. We want to be self-sufficient for as long as we can. So be proactive in your health care and let me just step back. Healthcare also includes dental care. As we get older, make sure we get those gums checked, teeth checked. If we need dental work, get it done, because as we get older, those gums recede a little bit. We have some bone issues. Take care of that. Make sure you go every 6 months, at least every 6 months. I try to go personally. I go every 3 months for a cleaning. That may be overkill. I don't know. That's what I do. The point is, just Take care of those things. Take care of your body. And if you're a spiritual person, if you believe in a God, go to a church, go to a temple, go to a mosque, whatever your background is. If you don't believe in an organized religion, walk in the park, take a hike in the mountains, look at the beauty of the trees and the mountains. Go out, take a trip to the ocean somewhere. I live I live in Las Vegas, so it would be a long car drive to get to the ocean. But whatever, just see some beauty and know that that beauty is not made by man. Again, whatever your belief system is, fine. But something, get your spiritual, let it fill you up. Let the beauty of trees and nature fill you up. So we have, just to recap that, we have your health care. We have your socialization. We have your physical, keeping strong, working out, try walking every morning. Go to your neighborhood, volunteer. I left that part out. Volunteer. It's so important to give back to a community. Whatever you like to do, whether it be with children, whether it be with animals, whether it be with nature. I volunteer at 2 I volunteered at the VA because I'm a veteran, and the VA is very important to me. It's been important for my life, my health care, and everything else. And I also volunteer up near Red Rock at Spring Mountain Ranch. So there are here in Las Vegas. So there are things you could do in your community. Your community needs you. You are vital. You've lived and have experience that younger people do not have. So give that knowledge, give that wealth of knowledge, share it. Be politically active, whatever your politics might be. I don't care. I'm down the middle. I don't care. Whatever it is, give to your community, because that, for me, as far as politics go, it's what happens in your community, your city, your state, that matters more than anything else. So be active. Be active, participate in everything you can. Don't sit on the couch. Don't wake up in the morning saying, oh, what am I going to do today? It's another day, just like yesterday. What am I going to do? Don't do that. I implore you to get off the couch, get up in the morning, embrace the brand new day, get out, enjoy it, whether you're alone or with a loved one. Don't just sit by yourself alone in the house, please. Do something. You're a vital person. Just embrace that vitality. So what I try to do is live the best life I can live. I'm fortunate enough that I share my life with a great, beautiful woman who encourages me to be the best I can be, and the best I can be is to be active, to get out there and live life the way I want to live it. Those are my ideas of how to live a vital life. Be active, be proactive. Take care of your body, take care of your mind, take care of your spirit life, your spiritual life, or your spirit life. Just do those things and live the best life you could live. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, because I'm very curious what you think, how you feel. If you need someone to talk to, come on. If a fellow veteran out there has veterans issues, give me a call. Send me a note in the comment section. I'll be glad, very happy to speak with you. I've been out of the service a long time, and I've been through the VA system. So maybe I can help you with that, whatever the case may be. We're a community of people that have lived on this planet for 50, 60, 70, 80 years. We have a lot of experience. We have a lot to give. Anyway, have a great day.